Ah, boy, how are we going to solve this math Olympiad problem? How? Okay, now, please, I would like you to pause the video. You can do your own. Let's compare our result. Okay, for those that could not solve it, let's do it together. So let's see what will be our end result. Can we solve? It is Olympiad problem. 5 to the power of x equals 7 to the power of y equals 1,225. So please, before I solve this problem, if you want me to solve it and you want to enjoy more of my class, please, I would like you to share this video, okay, so that other kids, okay, other people can benefit from it, okay. You're going to love it. Now we have 5 to the power x equals 7 to the power y equals 1,225. So now we want to know the value of xy over x plus y. You have different ways of doing it, but I'm going to be using the simplest way or method. Now here, for 5 to the power x to be this, you can see that this simply means 5 to the power x is 1,225 and 7 to the power of y is also 1,225. Okay, according to what we are given here. There's something I would like to do here. I want to take this x out of this space. I want to take y out of this space. So let me start from here. So you know that if I say 5 to the power of x multiplied by 1 over x, I must do the same thing to this. Ordinarily, this is 1,225 is having power 1. So this is going to be 1 over x. Okay? And for this, that is this, equation star. Now for the second one, I want to do the same thing. 7, or before I name it or I label it. So you know that this is going to be 5 equals 1, 2, 2, 5. Because this, we cancel this. So we're going to have 1 over what? 1 over x. So let me call this equation 1. The power is 1 over x. Now let me pick this second one. 7 to the power of y, the same thing I did there, multiplied by 1 over y equals 1,225 multiplied by 1 over y, or to the power of 1 over y. So now you can see that this implies that this, we cancel this, we have 7 equals 1,225 1 over y. So let's call this equation star star. Now from here, the next thing we're going to do, let's do something to this equation star star. So if you multiply this and this by this, so it's going to be the left hand side, we multiply the left hand side, and the right hand side, we multiply the right hand side. Okay, so let's see what we are going to have if you do that. I multiply this by this, that is star multiplied by what? Multiplied by star star. Okay, what am I going to have? I'm going to be having this to be 5 times 7, that will be 35 equals, then I'm going to multiply this one, 1,225 to the power of x multiplied by 1,225 to the power of 1 over y. So this is what we're going to have. So now from here, now you can see that here these are having the same basis, and when the bases are the same, you're going to have 1 over x plus 1 over y. We have to what? We have to add, because that is from the law of indices. From the law of indices equals, and this is what? 35. Okay, this 1,225 same thing as 35 to the power of 2. So when you multiply 35 by 35, you're going to have 1,225. So you're going to have 35. Okay, ordinarily 35 is having power 1 equals, and this one is going to be 35 to the power of 2, 35 to the power of 2, then 1 over x plus 1 over y. So now from here, so we're going to have 35 equals 35. These two will be multiplying the power. Okay, it's going to be 2 into bracket 1 over x plus 1 over y. That is from the law of indices. Since the bases are the same, so we're going to equate the powers. So since this is what we are looking for, I mean the variable is here at the right hand side. Let me bring it down here. So it doesn't affect anything. 2, 1 over x plus 1 over y, then equals what? This one is going to be 1. So now from here, what are we going to do? If you divide both sides by 2, you see this, we cancel this. We have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 over 2. Now, let's try to simplify this further to have a single fraction. So this is going to be x times y, xy, that is the LCM. Y times 1 we have, or x times 1 we have x plus y times 1 we have y. You can see that we have what? We have x plus y equals x divided by xy equals 1 over 2. But now, from here, if you look at the question given to us, it is xy over x plus y, not x plus 1 over xy. So therefore, we have to interchange. So now to interchange the both sides, that is, you take the reciprocal of this. Taking the reciprocal of the both side of the both sides of this equation. Let me call it star 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 star. So now do that. Both sides of what? Of star star star. So now to do that, you're going to have what? X, y all over. When I say taking the reciprocal, therefore this will go up, this one will come down, x plus y. The same thing will happen to the right hand side too. 2 will go up, you have this. And you know that 2 over 1 is the same thing as 2. So therefore everything here is what? Is 2. Okay? This is the solution. So this is what? Is 2. And thank you so much for watching. Can you see? Very beautiful. For those that solved it before I did. So how far? How is your result? Did we get the same thing? If we have, good. If we did not get the same thing, please, this is the result. Okay, try to check my steps so you can perfect your workings. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Hit on the bell icon if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, okay, so that you can see more of our amazing classes. You can also follow us on Facebook so you can see us too. Thank you so much. Bye bye.